When Marissa and Cameron spent their college years in Iowa City at the University of Iowa, it wasn't until they moved to Kansas City where they finally met. Cameron moved to KC in 2012 and Marissa 2 years later in 2014. It was Marissa's first night out in KC when they met at a mutual friend's house. It turned out that both Marissa and Cameron come from a long line of cheeseheads.
Two worlds collided. I see forever in your eyes. You're everything to me, darling. I can't believe we made it here. Now I promise you
Yeah. Okay, Lily, do you have the lash?
Forever. You and I will be together. I see forever in your smile. Come what may, I promise to love you every day. Your heart beats mine. I will love you forever. I will love you forever. Forever.
I, Cameron, take you, Marissa,
I, Cameron, take you, Marissa,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
I will share my life with yours,
I will share my life with yours,
build our dreams together,
build our dreams together,
support you through times of trouble,
support you through times of trouble,
and rejoice with you in times of happiness.
rejoice with you in times of happiness.
I promise to give you respect,
I promise to give you respect,
love, and loyalty through all the trials of life.
love, and loyalty through all the trials of life.
This commitment is made in love,
This commitment is made in love,
kept in faith and hope,
kept in faith and hope,
and made new every day of our lives.
and made new every day of our lives.
Very good. Now, Marissa, repeat after me. I, Marissa, take you, Cameron,
I, Marissa, take you, Cameron,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
I will share my life with yours,
I will share my life with yours,
build our dreams together,
build our dreams together,
support you through times of trouble,
support you through times of trouble,
and rejoice with you in times of happiness.
and rejoice with you in times of happiness.
I promise to give you respect,
I promise to give you respect,
love, and loyalty through all of life's trials.
love, and loyalty through all of life's trials.
This commitment is made in love,
This commitment is made in love,
kept in faith and hope,
kept in faith and hope,
and made new every day of our lives.
and made new every day of our lives.
Behold all the pieces pieces of fortress that once stood. The canvas's colors can't hold like they once could. And listen to the growing sound of all I've known that bids me farewell. I saw the new horizon deep within your eyes as the autumn leaves fell. And I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love. You brought me like the dawn breaks through the night. Didn't even know that you needed light. Yeah, I'm in love. What good are hands if there's nothing that they hold? And what good are hearts if you bury them all alone? Oh, everything I knew is turning into ruins in your shadow. And I thought that I'd be ready, but falling isn't steady once you let go. And I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love. Yeah, you broke me like the dawn breaks through the night. I didn't even know that it needed light. And I'm in love. In love. In love. Tie this string and pull it through. Either end would lead to you. 'Cause I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love. I'm in love.